The pneumo-hydraulic press is suitable for most jobs and is an integral part of any service station. NORDBERG 3620AL press with pneumatic drive with maximum force up to 20 tons. There is a glycerin-filled large diameter pressure gauge to control the load force, as well as a safety valve to protect against overloads. One of the main advantages is the horizontal displacement of the hydraulic cylinder. There are two trapezoid plates on the desktop, as well as the table itself is adjustable in height depending on the work or the parts to be worked with. The lifting of the bed is possible from 320 to 1,170 millimeters. The presence of a pneumatic drive will significantly speed up and facilitate the work. High-quality equipment at an affordable price.